Hey, it's the Fat Albert Halloween special! Hey, gotta get those costumes today.
Yeah, Root and Rummage, they got a lot of cool Halloween costumes for tonight.
I'm gonna give me a superhero costume.
I'm gonna be a monster.
What do you mean gonna be? You already are. Hey, Mr. Root, me and Deborah here want some service. We got a whole $1.87 to spend clear.
Yeah, knock it off. Don't you see I'm busy with Mrs. Bakewell?
Oh, yeah, okay, we'll just look around a bit. Ah! What's with you, Fat Albert? Don't you see that spooky old lady Bakewell?
So what?
So what? She lives in that creepy old house by the cemetery. Yeah, she sneaks around, never hardly talks to nobody. She's weird.
She's no weirder than any other old woman.
That's the trouble. All old people are weird. Hey, Rudy! Hand me that ladder. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ah!
Hey, you kids, out!
See, Fat Albert, just like Debbie said, old people are mean.
Hey, dig these cool homemade outfits.
Yeah, who needs store-bought costumes anyway?
Hey, small change. Tell me again, what's that stupid costume you're wearing?
My giant outfit.
A shrimp like you?
Sure, I'm the world's smallest giant.
Man, that's really dumb. Hey, now lay your eyes on these threads. I'm a clown!
We know that, but where are you dressed as?
Hey, ole! Feast your eyes on the greatest toreador on earth.
We dig.
You do?
Yeah, you're the world's champ at throwing the bull.
Man, we gonna have a great time tonight scaring old dudes. Hey, shake a leg. We gotta meet Deborah at the graveyard. Yay! All right! Watch it, Fat Albert.
Sorry, Rudy. Hey, what's the deal here anyway?
Cool it. You'll find out soon enough, Super Fats. Let's get out of here. I don't like this place. Well, if you're all too chicken.
Chicken.
Who's chicken?
Who you
Not
calling
not
chicken?
me. I'm not chicken, man. What you got here? Chicken.
I am. Now, you're gonna see something that'll knock your eyes out.
Devery.
In the flesh, or should I say in the dress.
Man, me and Devery sure put one over on you dudes.
Yeah, boyfriend Albert, I wish you could have seen the look on your face when I popped out.
Listen, Devery, that's not cool to go around shocking people.
Fat Albert, how could anyone be so round and so square at the same time?
I don't care. You shouldn't scare these dudes like that.
What do you mean scared? I wasn't scared.
Yeah, I wasn't scared.
I was. All you clowns were scared. I had you quacking in your boots.
Not quacking, quaking.
Quacking, quaking, and shaking, and that's no faking.
Man, I was scared.
We be noble. What was in Mrs. Blake-Welble?
That's nothing to what me and Devery got planned for that old grouch later on tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, really? What's that?
Tell me now. But first, we're gonna have some preliminaries before the main event. First, we're gonna scare old Searchlight Johnson at the movie house.
Hey, guys, I don't think we should.
Yeah, then we can scare old Mudfoot Brown.
Yeah, right on. Yeah, that'll be cool, man.
And the climax of the Fright Night festivities will be to get you know who. This is one Halloween weird old lady Bakewell is never gonna forget.
Hey, dudes, before you get too far gone scaring old folks.
Yeah, I'm cool it, man. What's wrong with you?
Don't waste yourself.
Hey, gotta get to the big horror movie before the early show prices change.
Yeah, but the main thing is that we're really gonna suck it to old Searchlight Johnson.
All the way through there.
Oh, shoving.
Devery, Mama grounded you. You gotta go home.
Well, looky here. The eyes, ears, nose, and throat of the world.
You're gonna get in big trouble.
Blah! Aren't you scared of creepy things?
No, you don't bother me at all.
Oh, get lost, Melba. Come on, gang.
I'm warning you. Mom and Pop find out you're in big trouble.
Hey, she won't really tell on you, will she? No, I got her buffaloed. Hey!
Big movie tonight. Oh, yeah, right on.
I don't want you kids messing around. Keep your feet off the seats, keep your lips zipped.
Hey, follow me up to the balcony. We'll dim old Searchlight's bulb for him.
Dr. Nordenberger, hurry. We have to get past those creepy, icky space squids. Watch it, Dr. Nordenberger. The creepy, icky space squids are going to dive bomb us.
Space squid's gonna get me!
Shut up.
Yes, but there's a worse threat overhead. Yes, Dr. Nordenberger, it's Super Space Squids.
All right, out. All of you. Out, 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 out. And you too, wise guy. OUT, out, out.
Man, that was the funniest thing I ever saw.
Not funny, Devery.
You got us kicked out of the best part, too. I did not. It was that mean old Searchlight Johnson. Oh, dude, just like him, got no sense of humor.
You don't have no sense of humor and no sense either.
Quit your belly aching. The fun is only beginning. Follow me.
Hey, all right. All right.
Come on, cool it, Devery. Why don't we just do some more trick-or-treating without scaring the old folks?
Hey, man, don't be such a drip. Hey, man, let's scare somebody, man. What's wrong?
Now that that's settled, Captain Plump Lump, can we get on with the business of the evening? Our next victim lives right over there.
Hold it. We don't want to scare old Mudfoot. What did he ever do anyway?
He got old, that's what. Come on, Rudy. Let's show these bush leaguers how to do a big league scare. I hear you. Let's go.
How's somebody supposed to get into his nightshirt with all this racket going on? Hey, Mudfoot, you know what we're here for. Lay some treats on us. You know, when I was a kid, trick-or-treating was different. Talking about fun, we didn't have no signal lights. And I used to wear the darkest clothes I could find so nobody could see me. Yes, sir. Nothing like a challenge of crossing a dark, busy street. That don't sound like much fun to me.
Won't catch me crossing no dark street. No.
Noble, sober.
That's asking for it.
That's
Hey, yeah, right. Man, that's too slow, man.
Then there wasn't all this frou-frou about taking treats that was prepackaged. Yeah, I wish you could have seen the good slop I had. You ever taste lint-covered licorice, taffy, apple, popcorn, peanut, orange, donut, peppermint, divinity, fudge, all globbed together in one big gritty gooey wad? Oh, man. Not like all this sissy sanitary pre-wrapped goody two-shoe stuff you get today. Of course, at least you get sicker than dogs and spend 2-3 days in bed, but it's worth it. Hey, I don't care what you say. I ain't gonna eat nothing but wrapped up goodies.
Yeah.
Me neither.
No way.
Well, I gotta see my TV shows now. You better get going with your trick and treating.
Okay, all right, Mudfoot, so long. I'll see you. All right.
Good old Mudfoot. He's a cool old dude, ain't he?
Yeah, son.
Hey, man, he's real cool.
You dudes are D-U-M. Dumb.
What you talking about?
That old dude got away without giving nobody nothing.
Devery,
Oh!
you better come home right now or you're really gonna get in trouble.
Cool it.
You hear me, huh?
The whole world can hear you, Diesel Mouth.
Why do you call me Diesel Mouth?
Because your yap is so big you could drive a truck through it.
It's getting late. We all better go home.
Oh,
Okay.
Call it a night. It's time to go.
Yeah, right. It's all right with me.
We sure didn't do too good with the tricks or treats.
Hold it. Hold everything. We are forgetting the mostest, the baddest, the scariest part of the whole night.
Who could forget her?
Put me down.
I don't mean her. I mean her.
Put me down.
Shortbread. I'm not going home here. Me and my pals got to go up to that creepy old house and scare old lady Bakewell. Right, dudes?
I don't know, man.
I don't know, really.
I don't know.
Hey, I got something to say. You've been talking mighty big and bold all night about what us dudes should do. Now, just for a change, let's see you do something really heavy on your own.
Who? Me?
Yeah, Devery. Are you chicken?
You jiving? My brother Devery's no chicken. He's a lame duck with no pluck.
Okay, Miss Big Mouth, I got a deal for you. I'll go home right now.
Good.
If you go trick-or-treating up there to creepy old lady Bakewell's house. See? I could have told you. Huh?
Hey, Russell! She got him. Hey, what's the delay?
Russell and Melba been in there 1,100 million years.
Even longer than that. It's nearly 15 minutes.
You gotta do something, Fat Albert. You hear? That's my little sister in there.
And my little brother.
I'll see you dudes later.
Where are you going?
Let go, man. I'm gonna get the SWAT squad.
I'll give you a 5-knuckle swat.
Easy, dudes. Easy. Keep cool. Follow me. I got a plan. Come on.
That's it. Good night.
Okay, Derry, take a run. We'll flip you up through the window.
I don't know. I got a Charlie horse. Or maybe a bad ankle. Yeah, that's it. Or maybe a...
Never mind. I'll go.
Uh-oh.
Get me down. Help!
Shut up!
Let go, Bucky.
Baby dabba bit. You all righty?
Hey, I'm okay.
You gotta carry my little sister out of there right now.
And what about my poor brother Russell, who's trapped in a room full of millions of alligators and snakes and spiders, a giant space squid, and... Okay, I hear what you say. I'm going up there and ring that doorbell. No, that give him a chance to hide the evidence.
We gotta rush the door right now.
We've been waiting for you. Won't you join us?
Mrs. Bakewell was telling us how nice it was to have some visitors for a change.
I haven't had much company since the mister passed on. Do try some of these.
Hey, this is really okay.
Hey, try this.
Yeah, right on.
Great.
Hey, this is man.
What are they doing in there?
Hey, was great. Yeah,
Bye-bye. Be sure to hurry back. Bye.
Hey, you've been so nice to us dudes that we're gonna come back Saturday and do your yard.
Yeah, and we're gonna do it absolutely free for nothing. See ya.
Hey, all right, bye.
Yeah, bye now.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah,
That's Mr.
hey,
Blakewell.
cool, man. Right on.
You were close. You said it, man. Right on.
Old folks are great if you give them half a chance, huh?
It's like I always say, old people are A-okay. Melba, you okay? That old lady didn't hurt you, did she? Tell me you're okay.
I'll tell you. Let me down, you sap.
Hey, Deborah, where were you? You missed a great feast.
Huh? Yeah, we had cookies, we had soda pop, and we had marshmallows.
Oh, yeah, candy. And all kinds of good stuff.
What? That mean old lady.
Mean old lady nothing. She's the greatest.
Yeah, you had her all wrong, Devery. Too bad you missed the big feed.
Come on, Russell. We better split for home.
Hey, all right. This man, that's all the way on here.
Heavy.
Hey, all right.
But that's no fair. I didn't get what's coming to me. When am I gonna get mine?
You're gonna get yours right now.
Dad. But Dad, let me explain. I'm innocent. It wasn't my fault. Honest, I was framed. I'm innocent. No
Class.
Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Hey, that was some Halloween, wouldn't you say? But you ain't seen nothing yet. We're all gonna be back at Christmas time with another big holiday special.